Next, bring your probe laterally to this tendon here. Can't miss it. It's right on the side, going right to the ankle. And this muscle that I'm touching is the fibularis longus. Fibularis or fibula is always on the lateral side. So I'm going to try to get underneath this tendon here and get the muscle out. This has got a lot of that connective tissue over it, as you can see here. So I might as well strip that off. Okay, here's the muscle.
Just like broke bones.
No, I didn't. This is the fibularis longus. I actually can't get under that muscle, and sometimes you can, but I don't need to. That's the fibularis longus. Now, the old name for that was peroneus longus. And if you find peroneus longus in a book, you're probably using an old edition. Okay, I would give you credit for either name, but I'm not going to use the other name again. Okay? So.